Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out fishing with Kleie Charters in Canary Islands in Gran Tarajal. More info about them in the description down below. Today's plan, trolling with lures and later on live bait. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's go! This was our first bite and the lures hadn't been in the water for more than 5 minutes. As you can see, I've only set up my chest GoPro. Came off. Happens.
Okay.
It is. What can you do?
Pero
Feels like it's stuck somewhere. It's big.
estamos ahí, ¿Estás bien comprado ya?
Yeah. What's the breaking strain on the line?
What?
What's the breaking strain on the line?
I don't know. You want to put more?
No, I don't want to lose it.
Okay.
It's a big fish.
As you are fishing, man. You know what you need to do. This line is fast, you know?
Yeah.
More. Front the leader is skinny, you know?
Yeah, that's the problem. I don't want to lose this fish. It's deep though.
It is 20 pounds. Look at one, the leader. La recuda. Bonito. A woman always problem, man. When you are enjoying, always woman calling.
That's why I switch my phone off when I go fishing.
Okay, enjoy, don't worry. Don't worry, we are waiting a long time for catch the fish, so you enjoy. With us, no problem.
Nah, I'm not gonna lose this one.
Lose, we lose. But you enjoy fighting the fish. La caña de Fuerte Sport. The shop sent me a good road. In Rosario, if you want to buy roads, they have a good thing. Fuerte Sport.
Jesus, this thing goes.
Enjoy. Material, cañita y carret de Fuerte Sport.
There's nothing I can do. It's just every time you get it close, it just comes out.
Lo mejor que hay. Buena calidad y baratito. That's okay, don't worry. Gonna get the car. El dinero. Good. Other one. Very
Nice.
good.
Nice.
Una foto?
Yeah, we'll do it after we continue fishing.
Now have a good color.
Okay, let's do it then.
This side much better. Tango at the longer. Let's go. Can I go? I can.
Let's roll.
You. Yeah.
Fish, 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 fish.
We need to continue, you know? Okay. If we got the fish, we cannot stop. We need to continue more. We can have two.
Really, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Small one. You!
Well done.
Very good, Jamie. Very good. The third one. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey.
Yeah. You all right? Thank you, Mr. Jamie. Repeat your name again.
Ulvis.
What?
Ulvis.
Olvi.
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna release again. Okay?
Yeah.
So, drag it a little bit. Try to tie it to alive the fish, and when we put inside, will be crazy, no? You got it?
What, with the line?
Pull it slowly because it's too skinny.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, let's do it, man. Let's do it. El cuarto al agua. You.
Yes.
Very good.
It was time for us to reel in and try to catch some live bait.
You have to wait for the gift. When the mussel is down, the sardine is in the surface, and down is mussel.
Yep.
Very good. Really slowly because the mountain. ¿Estás en tu casa? ¿Estás en tu casa? Vale, va. Vale, va. Good. Really good.
Looks like it.
Yep.
At this point, my colleagues had
Don't need
4
to stop
bites
today.
on live bait. That's why
Trolling
the
is good.
captain said the trolling is good.
Sometimes we stop here. We ain't trolling, we have any bite.
The captain explained that swivel on the leader is making bubbles and sometimes fish attack it. He reckons this was done by triggerfish. I would love to catch that.
aire, tío.
No, madre.
¿Dónde? We're gonna really fast.
This, my dear viewers, is a prime example why you should never give up and always fish to the last moment. Things like this happens once in a lifetime.
Yes!
Good.
I even see it take.
Say the bite.
Yes. Good fish. Very good fish. Please stay on. Nice.
Ah, bonito. Separate the road. Put the road down the water. Down the water. Good. Very good. Good job. Bonito.
Yes.
Oh, nice one. Nice, bonito. Enjoy. Don't worry. The fish is very alive. No, he's gonna pull again.
Last minute bite, huh?
Yeah. Oh,
Yes.
To the end.
Yes.
Oh, to the end. Look at the fish.
Yeah, I see it come up and take it.
Yeah. The attack on the surface.
Yes. No, it was beautiful. Beautiful thing.
Yeah. Facebook. Wow. We lost it, okay. We lost it.
No, we're not losing this
You
one.
don't wanna lose?
No.
Jamie! Vaya sierra tiene aquí el colega. Mi amigo Olga. Finally I know the name. Put down the road. Separate. I don't want to cut, you know. Look at that. Vaya sierra, niño. Aquí en la boca del muelle. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Una garza. Vamos a entrenar. Vamos a entrenar el Kleie Charters. Vamos a entrenar el Kleie Charters.
Yes. Woo! Yoo-hoo!